I'd like to introduce you to the AccelTex Trellis Kit, a PN antenna mounting solution that can offer more stability in mounting antennas. In this video, I'll briefly explain the parts and steps required for a successful setup. In this kit, you will have the required mounting hardware in bags A, B, and D, as well as an AP mount and an antenna arm for the AccelTex antennas. In this particular use case, we will be using the Cisco Antenna arm that comes provided with the Cisco 13dBi antenna. The first step is to attach this antenna plate to the unit strut with mounting hardware from bag B. Use the required tools to secure the antenna to the unit strut as shown here. Install the AP mount to the unit strut with mounting hardware from bag D. Line up the Cisco provided antenna arm to the corresponding holes on the antenna plate and attach using the mounting hardware from bag A. Lastly, install the antenna with the provided hardware onto the antenna arm. You'll notice degree markers on the antenna arm to angle the antenna to the required orientation.